Even though it's late September, the cicadas, tick, 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 are still making a lot of noise. So I've got a lot of news this week. I'm pretty excited. The new website, marciemayor.com, will be up and live this week. It looks great. I'm so appreciative. I could have never done such a good job as my friend Nick did. Big news is I became part of the YouTube Partner Program, which I don't expect any of you to really know what that is because I didn't know anything about YouTube before I was a YouTuber. But anyway, once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube brings you in and starts sharing the revenue that they get from the ads that play on my videos. It's really a very small sum, but it's somehow satisfying to be doing something that you enjoy, that brings you close to like-minded people, and to get a bit of stipend from it. And the other news that could potentially change a lot of things is that I have a big meeting tomorrow with the largest supermarket chain in Greece to get my cookies there. This is something I've been working on for quite a few years. I've met up with representatives from the supermarket several times, here and abroad, at food expos. I've even been to their offices once, but it looks like this time they really want my cookies in their stores. So that could change everything, and that could really make things a lot smoother economically for me. So I'll keep you posted with that. Tomorrow morning is the big meeting. I'm walking up to the Acorn drying table because I'm making flour all this week. I just finished a round of cookie making, and I'm going to share a really funny fast montage of that. I haven't made flour since the springtime, so I need to get to it and get quite a bit done before the autumn and winter rain set in. Oh, and I have some other news. I've pretty much arranged all the volunteers that are going to come in October and help me to gather acorns. And I feel so grateful that 3 volunteers are coming who have come in the past. Actually, 2 of them it'll be their 3rd trip, and Neve will be here for, I think, her 6th time. So that's really exciting because they know me and I know them, and we all know the job at hand, and it's just going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to getting together with them again and getting as many acorns in as possible. So here's the first small batch of processed acorns that are drying. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait until smells can be communicated online. Cactus is finished flowering, and all that's left are the dead flowers that have fallen off, and a bunch of limp ones still hanging on a bit. Maybe I need to reassess the pronouns I use with this cactus. I always think of it as a she. Good morning. I got to get another camera to take a photograph of the setup that I have for this camera because it's ridiculous. It's really, really funny. I don't have any equipment, so I'm just sort of rigging things up with what I have. I'm actually looking for an employee, so I'm going to put this thing on time lapse, and that'll give any potential candidates for the job an idea of what's exactly involved. This dough was made over the previous 2 days, and it is going to be baked today. The trays are being prepared with the pre-sliced pieces. Each baking trolley has 16 trays. Today we'll be doing 8 trolleys. That's 128 trays, and 4,480 cookies. In the afternoon, Mimosa comes and helps me seal the bags. Okay, can you take a picture of this setup, because I want to show the good people on YouTube how you can start a channel without any money or any equipment. So I have all these rigs all the time, so can you just take a photo of it and then send it to me? I'm relying on headbands a lot, and thank goodness for them. They're really doing a great job. And this next one is a GoPro arm strapped on to my iPhone SE. I've been taking a time lapse of the cactus, and I just wanted to show you my setup. There's the flashlight in there, and it's being propped up like this so it won't fall down. Because at some point I'm going to make a video about how a lack of finances is no reason not to start a channel. You don't need fancy equipment. Just check that out. Well, if you live in Greece, you know where I am. And I think I have good news. It has been a while since I've appealed for subscribers, but here we go. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks and see you soon.